Good morning, viewers. Let us see what is work is worship. Before going to start this, we need to know two things. First one is what is work, and second one what is worship. How worship is interlinked with each other. As we know, each and every person is meant to do some work. Person in the sense either male or female, whoever that they just want to do some work. It is nothing but they will do it their work continuously. We know one of the famous quotations. What is that quotation? Try making every day a day of achievement. We want to do any type of work, whatever that interest that we have. What is that need? Because when we are very small, parents they need to look after. They want to ask whichever the thing we want, they provide and they fulfill our needs. Once we grown up, then gradually, step by step, we need to depend on our own. We need to provide our own facilities. We need to do our own work. When we are very small, uh, parents they don't leave us. It is nothing but we don't have any capability, we don't have any sort of thing that we can do our own work. So that is the reason we need to do when we are going to get different types of things as days are progressing, as months are progressing, as years are progressing. When we are becoming older and older, there many things are going to play, many things are going to uh, change our lives, our lifestyles. Okay, mainly it is going to tell about so and so age. Okay, so this is the work we need to do. For example, uh, when we are at the age of 7 years, 8 years, or some of those they get joined in a school. 5 years or 6 years onwards, the parents they send to nearby school. So that is beginning of that they study. Okay, that is nothing but they start in their childhood to get educated. Who are providing that education? Parents are providing that education. Okay, of course. Without doing any work, is it possible to get education? Okay, is it to make the children, whoever those parents, okay, is it easy to make them educate? It is not possible. Parents they do the type of work. Children, what we do, we just go and get study. We just go and get educated. Once we completed our studies, then onwards the real time, the reality comes under. Parents they just want to reduce their burdens. They want to uh, just tell something about life to their children. Okay, this is the time you better go and earn something and look after us. Who are going to look after children? Okay, that means of course those are grown up. They completed their education. Now the responsibility is on children, because continuously years and years parents they can't do work for their children. Once they reached certain age, that means 60 60 plus years of age, so that is not the time to do work. Of course, when they have started their careers, that means parents careers, most probably 25-30 years at the time onwards, they really put their efforts a lot to look after, to bring their children to a certain position. let it take 30 years of age, 30 years onwards they were doing it continuously. Okay, what about that life of them parents, if they are not going to do their own work? Who's that responsibility to look after parents? Ultimately that is nothing but that is the left responsibility of children, because they are just started. What started? Education is completed. No, they started their careers. They joined in some of that profession, whichever that whatever that they got the opportunity. Okay, in which they have shown that interest. Once they start, no, the ideas, the opinions of children definitely will change. Previously, how they lived, okay, in the past, okay, if they want to live in the same way, it is not like a bed of roses. Okay, I'm very that's the very fact, whichever that they lived in the past. Okay, of course, that time parents they need to look after each and everything. Okay, here children they don't know that responsibility. If they want to give any work also, so they just ask parents only, let it do yourself, either father or mother. Once they completed their education, they joined in some of that work or whatever that work, before they are going to get married, then they come to know what is the reality of life. The reality of life is nothing but in the past, whether they like to do some work or not, or even whichever that work they did not like. For example, whichever that work they did not like, because of circumstances, because of whatever that situation, they come to join in the same means which they did not like. Okay, is it possible to go away from that work? If they go away from that work, if they have not shown any of that interest to work or to continue that job, who will look after? Parents, they are not in a position to look after whatever that their capability, ability, whatever they did in the past, from 30 years onwards, whatever that age, they just want to take some rest. Okay, no, each and everything that responsibility is there in the hands of the children. If that family has one or two children, either male or female. Okay, female means just after once they completed their education, they go and join in any of that work, and they do it most probably 2 to 3 years of age, because bride, okay, that means daughters are going to leave. That means once they got married, once they got a very good match for their daughter, after that, once that ritual is completed, they go to mother-in-law's house. Only one person is left, that means son has to look after that family. No, whatever that hook or crook, the son has to take that responsibility, and whatever that responsibility of the total family, that means parents responsibility is an utmost important for the particular child. Now come to that point, just before I started with that topic, that is nothing but work is worship. Now here, either you like that particular job or work, now it is not in a position to go away or escape from that work. You must and should, you have to do that work to look after yourself and to look after your parents' sake. No, if you have interest or if you don't have that interest, you have to habituate, you have to change that mindset of yours, and you have to love your work, and you have to worship with that. Worship in the sense, life is nothing but you have to adjust to some situation. Okay, maybe in the beginning days you feel like somewhat sorrowful, somewhat disappointed, somewhat sad. But how many days or how many months or how many years you will be like in the same position? Maybe in the beginning, what you have felt that is not the correct job, or which is not the correct position to work continuously years and years. Maybe after 1 year or after 2 years of age, having that experience of that particular work, really you will get a very good impression. You will get a very good rapport with that whoever those people are doing in that same office or in the same company. No, you are going to get good opportunities in the same company. It is nothing like you are going to get a good promotion and you are going to be placed in a very good position. Okay, now at that time you just recapitulate what did you feel in the beginning of that career when you joined. Okay, when you joined in so and so position, so and so place, okay, after completion of your education, what you thought, or what about your feeling that time once gradually doing that job or work continuously year after year, then you come to the know that reality. That means work is worship. Whatever that work, even daily we are going to see different types of people. Okay, some of those they are just doing daily wage worker as a daily wage worker. Some of those they have studied well, those they got okay, of course, if it is a white collar job, government job, they will be feeling very happy for that. Okay, if it is a private job, whatever that private job, they must follow, they have to use their resources and they have to show their skill or talent to come to a very good position, and they have to satisfy that management, each and every person whoever that in that position, then only they give value for you. Okay, if you are not capable, if you are not talented or skillful, then that is nothing but if time comes you need to change to any of that other position, any of that other job, then who is going to lose? You yourself is going to lose that. So what my point, when you are ready, if you are going to show your interest, whether you like that job or if you don't like that job, whichever that position, you have to adjust for few months or few years. Then definitely after gradually doing that work, um, one day definitely you feel that whatever the decision I have taken, that is a very good decision. In the beginning of my career I felt ashamed myself, but once to come to know that point, that reality in that life, you feel like really work is worship. Okay, you need to treat like okay, how we are going to respect ourselves. If we respect ourselves, if we respect, that is nothing but whatever that work that we are doing, if we respect that work, no doubt, damn sure that that work will give you a very good name. Okay, that work, whatever that job that you are doing, that will bring a good reputation to you. Okay, but the thing is that we need to wait, we need to show our patience, we need to move on, whatever that position, whichever that position. And many of those reports they are saying that what about those reports, each and every year, as number of lakhs and thousands and lakhs of students after completing their studies, they are coming and they are just waiting. Some of those they are not going to bear, immediately they want to join in any of that, even small job, whichever the job, okay, they just want to join it immediately for the sake of their parents, because many responsibilities are there on their parent, many responsibilities are there on them. So that is the reason they just want to join it immediately. But some of those, what they do, they don't want to join it immediately, because they just always look at high. Okay, if they want to join, at least they need to get so and so salary, at least they need to get a very good position. So like that, unnecessarily they are wasting their time. that is very precious and very valuable time. Okay, that means they are not going to give value for that work is worship. Okay, whichever that work, what type of job, whatever that you are going to do it, at least you should have to feel it satisfied in a in satisfied manner. If you are not going to give value to your job, if you are not going to satisfy with that, okay, those are not going to reach in a very good position in their whole life. Okay, whoever those people are there, whatever that step they want to take it in the right time. Okay, if it is neglected or if it is postponed, definitely they are going to suffer a lot in that near future. So even we have read many of the stories, and even whichever those stories, historical stories also. Okay, many of those historians also, whoever those great people, okay, that we have learnt about their lives, it is nothing but adjusting that particular situation according to that how what type of circumstances were there. Okay, whatever that position, whatever that salary, whatever that position. Okay, just nowadays, okay, youth are like they just want to get settled in a short manner. Okay, they just want to get settled in a short manner. That means how it is possible? Maybe, for example, if any of that person they got it like then where they can maintain that same position or same type of job. Okay, we cannot say that how many days that last long. Maybe months of time, maybe years of time. We cannot judge, we cannot say it. Okay, whether he or she is going to continue the same job whole life. We cannot assure, we cannot accept that whatever that their psychology. But whoever that person, he is going to start from that step onwards, step one onwards. Okay, just reaching step by step, and reaching to a very good position. Okay, whichever that utmost position they dreamt, or okay, they just have a very good strong desire to reach in a very good position. Definitely those will live, those will maintain that long last many years with the whatever that profession they like. Okay, here the difference is that okay, some of those people they don't like it, some of those people they like it because of in the same position, whatever that position they were running, even if it is a very small position also, so they always trust and believe whatever that belief it was there. Okay, they can come over, they can reach to a very good position in the near future. So when it comes to the other side means those they want to get settled as early as possible. Okay, those they want to get the success spontaneously without taking much burden. Okay, without facing many challenges. Those lives they cannot run many years. Okay, here first we need to let it take many challenges, many responsibilities, and later onwards whatever that work that we have committed and dedicated. Okay, the society will identify, the society will give a very good position whoever that person is going to do that. So that is what here work is worship. Once we have committed, once we are going to show a very good nature towards our job, whichever the job, even if it is a small type or okay very nice reputed what type of whichever maybe. Okay, if we are not going to show our interest, then we need to stop that work all of a sudden one day. Okay, so what I just want to tell you about, okay, whichever the job, whatever that position, we have to adjust and we have to take some challenges, we have to work it continuously. Okay, that is nothing but try making every day a day of achievement. Until and unless if we are not going to know this reality, they are not going to okay, continue with their lives in a longer period. Okay, let it we understand that situation, let it we understand that even whatever that challenging task which is in front of us, okay, we have to take it with a satisfied manner. Okay, if you are not going to show that is in a satisfied manner, okay, once we start with that very sad or sorrowful, okay, feeling or thought, then we cannot do it many years and we cannot survive in the same position. Okay, don't expect success in a okay short period. Okay, let it move on like that continuously. Whatever that goal or whatever that aim that you thought in the beginning, okay, if you are going to do it continuously, whichever that aim, whichever goal that you have planned, definitely one day you reach to that position and you feel like okay, really on the day what I have thought, whatever that motto, just I stick with that motto, and because of that motto I put it in my mind years along. So that is the main reason I got it to this position. So that is what work is worship. So let it first give respect, okay, towards your job. Once you have proved, okay, whatever that talent or skill that is there, that is nothing but hidden, or okay, whichever the type of job, whichever the thing it is there, each and every person they have some familiar quality. Okay, if we identified, if we recognize whatever the talent that we have, definitely we prove, and tomorrow in society also, okay, each and every person they recognize, they identify, and they just start thinking in the same manner, then we become a such a good role model for each and every person for the next generation. Hope you like this one.